Hello everyone, welcome to Magic Automotive. Faulty hood struts got you down? In this video, I will cover strut replacement and hood removal. Due to the repairs needed, I decided to remove the hood to get the vehicle roadworthy before replacing one strut and testing if it was enough. As you can see, it was not, so let's replace both. It goes without saying, if the supports are non-functional, use a block of wood to support it during the part change. Use a flathead screwdriver to open the clamp on the struts like so. Then pull the strut from position. Replace the bottom strut first, then you can stretch the upper mount into position and clamp it shut. Repeat this process for the other side. Now let's continue forward with the hood removal. Remove 3 clips from the hood trim, using a trim tool if you have one. This gives you access to remove the washer fluid hose. Unplug it from the connection point. Now remove 2 10mm fasteners from the passenger side hood hinge. Gently rest it against the plastic cowling and repeat on the other side. Even though I did this myself and supported the hood with my offhand, I would recommend a second set of hands to prevent any mishaps. The hood is heavy. As well, when returning the hood, you have to set it dangerously close to the windshield. One slip and you could break the glass and ruin your day, as I almost did. Support the hood while you insert the bolts through the hinge. Again, a helper will make this much easier. Repeat on the other side. Then tighten all 4 bolts securely. Now return the washer hose by resecuring it to the connection point. Now clip it into this holder in the hood. Finally, return the hood trim clips. Up next, replacing your air filter. As always, if you liked the video or you learned something, throw us a thumbs up. If you want to learn more, hit subscribe.